Baking dishes are essential kitchen tools for anyone who loves to bake. There are many products available to choose baking dishes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best baking dishes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pyrex Colors 2-Pack Full Set Tinted Glass Baking Dish. The Pyrex Baking Dishes set includes both a 9-inch by 13-inch oblong dish and an 8-inch by 8-inch square dish, perfect for preparing traditional lasagna and casseroles while adding a splash of color to your dining table. The included BPA-free plastic lids fit snugly to keep your food fresh, making it easy to store leftovers. Made from tempered glass, these dishes can transition directly from room temperature to a preheated oven, ensuring even heating and reliable results. Plus, they resist stains and odors, so your meals maintain their delicious flavors. Number 2. Etex 8-Piece Deep Glass Casserole Dishes. The Etex glass storage set offers a convenient solution for your kitchen organization. With 4 stackable glass containers and matching lids, you can easily store and transport your meals. Made from durable borosilicate glass, these baking dishes are perfect for oven use, allowing you to go from freezer to oven without worry. The airtight lids ensure that your leftovers stay fresh and secure during travel. Additionally, these containers are safe for use in the microwave and dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Malacasa Casserole Dishes for Oven. The Malacasa Casserole set is designed to meet all your kitchen needs with 3 different sizes, ensuring you can cook anything from individual servings to large family meals. Made from durable, non-toxic ceramic, these dishes are resistant to chips and scratches, allowing for long-lasting use. The elegant sesame seed speckle pattern on a khaki base adds a touch of style to your table. Plus, the smooth surfaces make cleaning a breeze, whether you choose to wash them by hand or toss them in the dishwasher. Number 4. Anchor Hocking Glass Baking Dishes. The Anchor Hocking Oven Basics Glass Baking Dishes set includes a 2-quart and 3-quart baking dish, both made of tempered glass that is microwave, preheated oven, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The set comes with BPA-free plastic lids that are safe to clean on the top rack of the dishwasher. The glass baking dishes are healthier than metal and plastic as they do not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals into food. Backed by a limited 5-year warranty and made in the USA. Number 5. Dowan Casserole Dishes for Oven. Dowan Ceramic Baking Dishes is a set of 3 versatile and durable casserole dishes that meet all your baking and cooking needs. These lead-free and pro-grade ceramic dishes are safe to use in dishwashers, refrigerators, microwaves, and ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit per 260 degrees Celsius. With their non-stick porcelain surface, cleaning is a breeze. The double-handled design makes it easy to carry the dishes from the oven or freezer to the table. You can stack them on top of each other, saving valuable cabinet space. The classic and timeless design adds charm to your kitchen and dining table. These baking dishes are perfect for experienced cooks and beginners alike, and they make a great gift for any occasion.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.